Hey guys, guess what? We're back and got a little surprise. I treated myself a couple good days at work in a new position, so I thought, why not? An opportunity presented itself, so I took advantage of it. So I got a little surprise. I treated myself this past week, actually just yesterday. Was feeling good about work, and I decided to take a browse, see what was available locally on Facebook Marketplace. And I happened to come across this. This is the Mopar Soft Top. The gentleman was asking $350 for it. I know they go for around $1,500 new. So I messaged him. He said, come on by and take a look at it. So I did. He pulled the windows out. He said there's some scratches on it. Compared to what's already on my Jeep, there's no scratches on it. So gladly offered it to him. This also just kind of goes to show what kind of people are in the Jeeping community, as well as in our local sheriff's department. He works for the local sheriff's office here, and you know, he flat out said that he just didn't want to rip anybody off. He wanted it to go to a Jeeper who could appreciate it. That's me. I wanted a soft top since I got mine. I got mine with the collar matching hardtop, and it served me well so far. But we are in Florida and it is summertime. So they say it's a simple thing to install. I'm going to try and do it by myself, which includes removing the hard top and installing the soft top. It's almost sunset here, so I don't have very much time. I'm gonna actually time it so you guys can see how long it's gonna take. All right, so as you see, we just started the timer, and we'll go ahead and get started. All right, guys, so right now we are at, right this way, 8 minutes and counting. We have removed all 8 bolts, and we have stowed them away in the little handy dandy storage compartment here. I wouldn't try to remove this top if I was by myself and did not have some sort of an assistant device to help me lift it up. I tried it once. It almost went very, very badly. That afternoon, I went ahead and bought the Top Lift Pro. There's a lot of companies out there that make these things. Don't try to do hard tops by yourself. Yes, you can pick them up by yourself. They're not that heavy. It's just the size of them, and the wind catches them underneath. It throws you off balance. It's just not real pretty. All right, so we are at 20 minutes right now. I took a phone call in between there. So you can see we have the top off. Put the extensions on for long-term storage. Tucked away in the garage. Now, we have to sort through this mess. There's only a few parts, and the guy who had it before did a really nice job of bagging up the individual components. And I don't know if you can see that, but they're all written on. This is right roof. So we'll go ahead and get started with that. All right, guys, so a couple of things. If you're putting these on, make sure you don't pinch this weather seal right here, and make sure this sits down. But you can see I have grab handles, aftermarket grab handles for the color match right here, and there's plenty of room for you to wrap stuff. I'm actually gonna undo this and move it up here a little bit. I'll do that on both sides once I get it done. But this is essentially The passenger side is done, with the exception of a little piece with one bolt that goes in this corner, just sits right on top right there. We'll get to that. All right guys, and that's it. The rails are all on the side. Now I'm going to go ahead and do these back corner pieces, and then we'll get the top actually on. Looks like we are right at 40 minutes from beginning to end, including taking a phone call and me jibber jabbering to the camera. Got the hard top off, got all the rails in. Now we're going to put the top on, and then we'll put the windows on. Hey guys, so we got the roof on. Bad on my part, I actually lost 4 bolts. These bolts right here, and fortunately the ones that hold on the hardtop fit in there, and as long as you got this locked in, it's sturdy, it's not going anywhere. But yeah, this is everything. Pretty freaking awesome, I think. Yeah, pretty cool. So I pick up my grandson this Friday, be able to take the top down. He should really enjoy that. I'm gonna go ahead and get the windows now and get those on and make sure it all buttons up nice. Even got this nice case for the windows. This plastic piece goes in the back. This little channel, in other YouTube videos I watched didn't show it real well, but there's a little channel right here, and in that part of the roof that's attached to the Jeep, there's a rod, a bar, and you just got to slide it through here. So we'll see. This is the driver's side. All right guys, totally complete, even with my screw ups taking phone calls. 1 hour 11 minutes from beginning to end, and we're done. All the windows are on, secured, top is on. Now time for a test drive. All right, thanks for watching guys. Oh, before I forget, stay tuned. I got another delivery today. Little surprise, not much, a little tinker. And I'll tell you why I bought these and why I'm replacing the ones that I already bought, a different brand. And hopefully you guys will agree with me, but we will soon find out. So if you want to see what this is and why I'm replacing a piece of crap aftermarket part that I already bought, like, subscribe, do the little notification thing. All right guys, thanks, bye.